Data Structures, Unit 1, Abstract Data Types, presented by Mr. M. Sandanaraj, Assistant Professor, Information Technology, Konganadu College of Engineering and Technology. Abstract Data Types, ADT, definition. An abstract data type, ADT, is a model for data structures that specifies the type of data stored, the operations supported, and the types of parameters. Why ADT? ADTs hide implementation details. We focus only on what operations are done, not how they are implemented. For example, list, stack, queue. Python and ADTs. In Python, ADTs can be implemented using classes. For example, a stack class that support push, pop, and peek operations. Stack ADT definition. Stack follows LIFO, last in first out operations. Push item, pop, and peek is empty. Stack ADT Python code class stack define a class named stack. It represent class name. Define initiate of self. It is initialize an empty list. Self dot items equal to define push self comma item push function add an element self dot items dot append item. It is create item. Define pop self pop removes the last element. Return self dot items dot pop operations. It defined deletion operation. QADT definition. Q follows FIFO first in first out operations. NQ item DQ is empty. QADT Python code class Q define a class named Q. Define initial of self dot items initialize an empty list. Define NQ self comma item NQ add items at front self dot items insert 0 comma item. Define DQ self node DQ remove item from end. Return self dot items dot pop operation. Finally, ADT is a way to think about the data structures. Python uses classes to implement ADTs. For example, stack, LIFO, queue, FIFO. ADTs simplify problem solving by hiding implementation details. Thanking you.